Hello everyone. Kyle has accumulated a wealth of prototyping experience in the automotive, medical, home appliance, digital, robotics and other industries, from prototype processing to low-volume production. We have a complete set of solutions. I am very happy to see the prototypes of our inspection equipment that we help customers process successfully participated in the 2023 South China International Dental Exhibition. There are a total of 32 appearance parts of this oral inspection equipment, and the materials and processes used include Musa resin mold, ABS CNC, PC-like vacuum sting, transparent PMA CNC, etc. If you have any questions about prototype processing and low-volume production, please leave me a message below the video, and I will bring you more answers. I look forward to your likes and attention.